Because me, better they say after this since I know so now I just be I mean it's more than good to go out. Now when I say my work.
What's going on, boys? What's going on?
We're cool, bro. We're cool.
All good, all good. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear.
What's up, bro?
What's up? What's up? What's going on in the market today?
Yeah.
Just get everything. Make sure everything's good.
From yesterday, we had tapped into that 2-week imbalance or fair value gap I had mentioned and rejected.
We're at 500.
Yeah. Good.
Sorry, I'm on.
You're looking to be short.
It was around 11,670, almost 700.
700. That's where you want to be short.
Well, I was saying that's where I was wanting to yesterday, but I didn't stick with that.
So you think this is gonna be the high of the week yesterday?
Possibly.
Copy that. Copy that.
Considering we tapped into that fair value yesterday on the 2-week and rejected.
That would be nice. What? This looks like we cleaned it. This could be a nice head and shoulder probably on a higher time frame, depending on the way this plays out. I think that's just like me going off a lower time frame, trying to predict what a higher time frame looks like.
Yeah, for sure.
I be doing that shit sometimes. Like, I don't feel like on the time frame. I wonder what this looks like. Let's look at 4 candles. Let's get these little markups up.
It makes it a lot easier when you do look at the higher time frames, especially if you understand price action.
This up here.
I just can't be sitting around waiting for weeks.
Yeah, that's facts. Okay, so we filled in that little gap here, tapped into the 38.20% level, and we're at the 500 level. I would ideally probably not want to see this come any higher. That would be ideal. I don't want to see.
I would want to see it fall from this area.
Yeah, I don't know. It could make a run for these highs, but then I don't want to see it come above 500 and then come back just to come back below. That wouldn't make sense to me. I mean, it's possible. But it could just be one of them situations where it trends lower. Real fast type of thing. Yeah, the previous day's low, even session low is my target for the day, ideally. Once we get below there, I'll probably just... What's going on, bro? What's going on?
I go take out Tuesday's low.
It almost came to that 750, man. Almost.
I took a trade this morning, right, on US 30, right at the highs. Scalped it 10 pips. In and out.
Thorough. You're not taking no more trades?
I'm good. I've been losing all week.
I feel you. I'm taking just one trade a day, so I'm gonna try to see. That's why I'm looking at 500. I think we're retracing to 500.
Yeah,
I was. But I don't know. I'm waiting right now. I'm gonna see. Wait till the
thing on US 30 looks like we could clear the previous day's high, then catch the reversal.
It dropped back into the next zone on US 30. I'm just like, I'm not gonna take it though. Chill out. Come back tomorrow.
Oh, crazy.
Damn, it's so too cold. What the fuck?
Oh, crazy.
AC blasting.
Yeah, US 30 is probably gonna sell off, considering that NAS sold off yesterday.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think it's sell off to find some support. If I'm being honest.
And continue higher.
To continue higher.
Because I still think we're gonna that 32K area.
Hey, get that. Hey, get it.
People that root on it.
Brick by brick, amen.
That's how I'm looking. It says 1 brick. I just gotta make multiple bricks to get rich.
Right.
Brick by brick, you know what I'm saying? 1 brick, 2 brick, 3 brick. You know what I'm saying? Let's just hopefully I don't mess up the money, because then it's just gonna be all a whole bunch of fucking retarded words that you can't understand. It has to stay like that now.
It's a fact.
All right.
I don't even know what I would want to do for NAS, to be honest.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like best case scenario, not best case scenario, but what I would want to see is probably just price maybe retrace back in a 500 and then just continue down.
I feel like if it
That's
retraces
what I
to
would
the
like to
edge,
see. Just considering we ain't really make any significant high or low during London. This tapped into 500 and then we filled in this gap that I have here. So it would make sense. It could go higher and then we could come up to maybe 550, 600. But me personally, if we're going to really be bearish and this is the high of the week up here, I think it should be a pretty fast move considering look what it did from yesterday when it dropped and created a whole fucking gap. So there must be a lot of money in short somewhere.
I was gonna say Nas looks more bearish than US 30 does.
Definitely does. That's what I'm saying. In my opinion, definitely does. But it looks like if it could break that 11,400, it definitely will short after that.
But we're gonna see. That's what I would rather see. 500 shorts. Take them at the big figure level. In anticipation that we'll just continue the bearish trend. And we got this double bottom right here. It's only a matter of time.
Yeah, it's not.
And then from there, after we get below the previous day's low, this could be a nice little target here also.
I see what you mean. The 11,500, the fair value on 1 minute.
Nah, I don't know. I was on a 15, but you probably see something similar, just in that area. But yeah, I see which one. The one like within that candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't even see that, but hey, it's another one now. Appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Add to the confirmations. Hopefully we won't sell off before then though.
Yeah, that'd be nice, and then have like a spike up to that area.
Yeah, we still got into the open, so we still got time.
Smoke a G. Take my brain pill.
Take my brain pill. It's crazy. What's the brain pill?
It's a brain pill, bro. Let me see how that should look like.
No, it's actually this little gummy. My mom actually owns the company. It's like
What's
this.
it doing?
It's like this. It's supposed to help with like attention to detail, like memory. And,
Let me grab a zip. Psych, nah.
Still look. Let me see how it looks like that.
That's good.
He like bought the company from somebody.
Oh, word. That's what's up.
I got the third episode to the podcast finally coming out. I'm about to go on a spree recording these shits. I got 2 of them. I gotta edit this other one. This shit is like 160 gigs. Jesus. I'm about to lose my mind.
New hard drive.
Bro, like I've been uploading the one since yesterday, because mind you, it's like a 4K 60-minute video. I know I didn't have to put in 4K, but I was just like, fuck it. The camera made it 4K. So it was like, I might as well at this point. For all that, I could just record with my phone.
I don't like recording. It takes up too much space.
Bro, you don't even know, bro. Trust me. Oh my God. With the 2 podcasts, it was 3 clips total. With the 2 podcasts, it was probably like 150, 160 gigs total with all that shit. Maybe even 200.
It'd be too much, bro.
Yeah, but when I edited it, then the video came up to like 60, and I would just delete the other footage. So it's like, I just need it for the moment. Like I need actively that much room, so I could delete it afterwards. Because if I didn't have enough room, like when you download a game on Xbox or PlayStation, you're like, damn, I need room. You gotta delete the whole game. That's what I'm gonna have to be deleting all these videos.
It's a fact, bro. You're gonna have to get the cold storage.
I use a Google Drive. That's where I just been putting everything virtual.
And Google Drive works too. But you always want to have things stored in 2 places.
Yeah, I have, but the thing is, like a lot of my, it's like I have them on YouTube and then the video too. So it's like that's kind of my two places. If I lose the YouTube channel, well then it's kind of fucked. But hey,
Yeah,
let's
that's
just
what I mean.
let's not look at it like that.
Yeah. Look at the negatives.
I already got two enough. Having three is gonna be crazy. I'm really gonna need
Yeah,
more
kind
room.
of crazy.
I'm gonna need to buy what you call it? What's that shit called? External hard drive, crypto hard drive, like one of them joints. Walk around with it.
That's a fact. Bro, I baited today on my US 30 play, bro.
You did.
I was facts, bro. I definitely did catch the play, a 2-1. But thing is, I've been losing every day, and my trade would go to like a 1-1, and I never took the trade. I wanted the 2-1, and it turned around, so I just took the 1-1 today. That shit went to the 2-1.
Yeah, I don't like to take that 1-1. I would rather just either get stopped out and get back in, if that's the case. But a lot of the time, like you said, it'll come back. So it's like I'd rather wait for the 1-2, so at least it gives me a higher chance for the next trade to potentially. If I do lose, I ain't negative. Because the only thing is now, if you do lose a trade, say tomorrow, it's like back to zero. So it kind of just sets you back.
Zero.
Yeah,
Exactly.
that's why I don't
I'm
like.
at break even right now.
Because then when you feel like that, you feel like you got nothing done. When in reality, you still did, but it's all about that mindset. It's still gonna push you in there. That's why I'm just like shit. I'll take the 1-2, no less. That's just my first target. And after you do it for a while, it's just like you get used to it. Like at 1-1, I automatically break even. I don't even think about taking a partial. And it comes like mentally, even at 1-1, you know that you still lose the trade. So it's like you don't get ahead of yourself either. Cause shit, a lot of times I've just broke even. It just comes right back. More than enough times. More times than I can even tell you.
That's why I don't even like pushing break even sometimes, because I know the 2-1 still could be there.
Yeah, that's why majority of the time, if your trade is right, it should. It really should. Because unless the trade you call was more of like a reaction. But that's why you should always just break even regardless. In case it is a reaction, at least it just stops you up. That break even.
It'd be like that.
But we finna see right now.
There's a trader that only takes 1-1 and he be living.
I know who was it? Like Wicks Don't Lie. I used to watch him. He does that shit.
Wicks Don't Lie, he does 1-1s too, and he be clipping. There's another one, Doyle Exchange. He lived in Miami.
Oh yeah, but the way he does it, he risks more, bro. I be confused on how he trades.
Yeah, I be confused, bro.
I'm like he must be cutting the trade like mad short or something. I'm like, I don't get it.
He does cut. He only does 1-1s, but sometimes.
But even then, like his losses.
But yeah, his losses are so small. I'm like, how do you do that?
I'm like,
how do you lose so little?
I don't know.
Compared to your 1-1 trades. Got sauce back for sure.
I remember I asked him one time. I was like, "How much you risking?" He never replied. Cause I was confused. He was like, "He made 10K, but it was a 1-1 or like a 1-1.5." And I'm like, "How much were you risking?"
Exactly.
So it's like to make it make sense. Cause as traders, we know like the money's not gonna really. I don't give a fuck about the money. If you were risking 10,000 and then made 10,000, it's like okay, I could have fucking did that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But it's like then you start questioning. It's like cause it's just numbers to the average person. Like he's on YouTube, some market like Instagram. They just see the numbers. They're not really gonna know off rip. That's like what's going on either.
The technicals behind that.
They're not looking at how much he's risking to make that much. Because he could be risking more than that. He could be risking more than what he made, bro.
1,500.
He could have went in the drawdown. It's real situational. Like it's hard for online. Like me, I record everything. You've seen everything, bro. That's all I can give you. Sorry if
he is hitting though. He has the lifestyle to prove it too. So it's like
it's the type of thing though, where he is big on YouTube though too. So it's like it's gonna give that effect where you never really know. But I say just live trade. I think live trading is the best way because if you can actively, even if you're taking the trade or not, if they could see that you said something and then something like that happened, so you can't really say they're lying now. That's why I do it. The proof is right here. It's all the ever need.
En as jy mense wat dit kan verloor. As jy deur mense wat dit verloor het, as jy hoeveel gat gee, die man van Bosie en jou men 'n stukkie, dan wil jy nog altyd mense wat op push vat, op slag jy die boere toe vat na als.
No, we're gonna see. We almost got to retrace. It's not even the open yet though either.
It's not even open yet. That's a fact. I was gonna take the buys, but I'm like, it might come back to fully retrace like how it did on Nas.
Maybe we gonna see.
Just chill.
We finna see. What's the
I
five?
got my little money for the day. I'm gonna walk away.
We're still extremely bullish though.
Bro, do you promote your reels or no?
I maybe did one or two of them, but it was like organically a lot of the time. They should do it. You just gotta kind of. Some of them hit, some of them don't. You kind of just gotta see what works, what doesn't work.
Just gotta keep going. Word.
Like my one reel Monday did like 6,000, but then the one from yesterday only did 500. So it's like somewhere. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I've learned. A lot of the time, it's more simpler videos that do more numbers, and the shorter the video, the better, because they'll get more plays because they don't gotta really watch the whole thing.
Exactly.
So it's like they can watch it from your story, the whole entire thing, and that counts as a play.
Exactly.
So, you know.
That's a fact. I've been learning that too. Like, and word videos don't do as good as like.
You gotta try to like keep them engaged too, make it move. Like I've been trying to change camera angles. Like you're gonna see I'm posting one reel. Why is this on so long?
Just posting one just now, and then it is hitting, but it's like
it just depends. You gotta another thing, thumbnails too. That probably plays a part. It's just a lot of things it comes with just trying new things, seeing which ones do numbers, and then just comparing them. Type of thing.
I didn't put no emojis in my text before, like the forgot what you called that.
Subtitles or like just when you change stuff. Yeah, it just comes with subtitles I like to have because it's like keeps them engaged. Kind of they read it a little bit. Something's moving. I try to change camera angles. I try to put like a clip of something else just so it's like constantly moving, so they don't just click off. So like at least they're getting those dopamine hits, because that's what. If you just look at a lot of people, if you look at a lot of people that do reels, just look at the style they kind of do. And I'm trying to just do it like that because they're doing it for a reason. They're not gonna do it if it's not working. And if there's a whole bunch of people doing a similar style and they're all doing numbers, I mean, shit.
That's a fact, bro.
You gotta. People be saying you copying me, nah, bro. You gonna eat dick. You doing what's working, and so am I, big boy.
Exactly.
I'm moving. I'm just not being stupid. Obviously, I'm gonna do what's working. Shit don't make sense.
Why would I not do what's working? You making money off of it, and I can't.
Well, shit, fuck you.
I'm gonna try to do some more talking videos.
Talking videos?
Yeah, but I gotta figure out how to do that eventually. I make it more entertaining. I know them shit's gonna fall flat when I first start.
No, yeah. When you said you was gonna come down, 2 weeks.
First week in
November. I bet. Say that. I think I was gonna say Kel's coming down one of the days in November too. I was gonna say we try to get it all three of us there around the same time. I forget which day he's coming.
Yeah, I mean, whatever works, bro. I'm willing to network too.
Matter of fact, now he said he was coming November. I think like 13th. He's coming like 13th to 15th.
That's the second week in November.
Yeah, that's the second week. He's coming for like 3 days.
Yeah, I'm fine to do that too.
Oh yeah, we get the three person podcast. It's up.
What's his name? Naquan. You haven't spoken to him, man?
Who?
You know who that is? Naquan.
I
don't know if I said even right, bro.
I'm trying to think of his name.
Let me figure out.
I talk to a lot of different people. I'm trying to think of put a picture to the face. Daquan. It sounds familiar, but fuck.
That's how I came into your.
Oh, okay. I got you. Yeah, I got you. Quan.
You know,
yeah. Tampa.
Yeah.
I know what you're talking about. Right. Yeah, I haven't talked to him a little bit. I'm trying to get him for the podcast too, but we kind of just been busy doing our own thing. And I was just gonna set up. I have to text him. Matter of fact, you just reminded me.
Right, I need to text him to him. Like, all right, let's link up and be in Tampa.
Or shit. We can all do some shit.
Yeah, his name Quan. Right.
I was thinking because I be usually just saying Quan. Damn, don't start
Go
dropping
back to New
already.
York.
You said what?
I'm gonna go back to New York tomorrow.
Tomorrow? What you doing out there?
Just seeing family type shit.
Thorough. So like, that's where you from, or they just live out there?
Nah, that's where I'm from.
Thorough. New York boy.
It's a fat
When'd you
city,
move? When'd you move out here?
2 months ago.
Oh, so you only been out here recently.
Fresh, bro. Fresh.
Oh, yeah, I feel you. We both out here first time. Shit. We just in 2 different parts of Florida.
It's a fact. I came out here for the summer. I'm like, it's a fact. I'm going to Florida. That's
Oh
a
shit.
fact.
Even if it's not Miami, it's just one step closer, bro. That's how I look
One
at it.
step closer. I could drive them.
That's what I'm saying. We couldn't do that before. It's just one step at a time, a little bit at a
One
time.
step at a time, man. I'm taking my
Get slowly but surely. That's what I be saying.
I'm gonna move to Miami. Probably like next year. No, 2 years. I think my next stop is Tampa.
Tampa. You haven't been here yet? No, you have been here, right?
Yeah, I've been to Tampa before.
Shit, it's nice here, bro. It's nice.
Debated on this trip. Are you a funded trader?
Yeah. Right now I have like I'm trying to do like this 1,000 account, but right now this shit is cooking me. So it's like the type of thing where I'm just
1,000
going
account.
slow right now.
What do you mean 1,000 account?
What you call it? I was trying to do a challenge, trying to flip it.
Oh, flip 1,000. Okay.
But it's the type of thing where right now it's like I don't know. I want to take trades on the funded account because it's like shit is kind of whack, and I already know taking 1 or 2 losses is just gonna be keep cooking me. Especially if I was like last week, if I was trading, I'd lost all week. That shit would have been treacherous. So
I actually
right
did
now,
the opposite. I'm trading on my funded account and not my live account right now.
So I don't know. The small one's different, so I can kind of trade it a little bit differently, have more freedom. Especially during this shit, I could take a little bit more trades because I'm risking a little bit more anyway. But I don't know. It's different systems you got to go about, different types of way when you're trading, especially just adapting. Like I said, I don't even know if I might trade Q4 next year just because I keep getting clapped up Q4. We're gonna see. There's opportunities, but it's like they don't be as nice as they could be.
I don't know. I don't even know what I feel like last quarter was probably a really good quarter for me, bro.
Which quarter?
Last quarter and the first quarter.
Yeah, I think like Q2 was my best one.
That's not one. I hate Q2.
Q2, I think like Q1. Q1, I was trying to get like into the game, not into the game, but like getting ready for the year, just getting into it. You know what I'm saying? But then by Q2, it's like you got that groove. You already got a little routine going on, and it's kind of just that's when you're in the mood.
When did you feel like you became a profitable trader consistently? That's really good.
I don't know. Even sometimes I'd be feeling like I'm not consistent like that. It's really because you could be consistent. I don't know. It really depends what you could count as consistent. Like I come here every single day. That's one thing you can say is consistent. I take a trade, whether I lose or win. That's consistent. I'm gonna be here for a while. That's consistent. But following my rules, there's times where I wouldn't follow my rules. So it's like, would I still say I'm consistently following my rules? It really depends. But then all of those kind of lead to consistently profitable trader together. So it's like if you're not one, kind of you can't really say you're the other. And that's how I look at it. So we're still working day by day. Because profitable is one thing, but consistently profitable is like that. I can come in, I can make money, knowing what I'm doing, risk what I'm risking, know everything I'm doing, stick to a plan. That's profitable if you can come in and do that. But then to do that every single day, every single year, every single month, that's something else. That's the hard part. Profitable? Probably like really early on. Probably like one of my first few accounts. Because you can make money fast. You necessarily don't even need to know what you're doing, to be honest.
Yeah, that beginner's luck.
Yeah, beginner's luck. But it depends. Like, it could be either beginner's luck or beginner's, like, fucking unluck. Because that could make or break your whole trading.
I didn't have no beginner's luck. I started losing from the beginning.
I've been losing from the beginning, but I'm saying, like, a few trades where you seen that it was possible. That kind of like, all right, now I'm going to stick with it. I know what it is.
Because those losses, trading was when I made $200 on a London session.
Yeah, that's how it was for me. I remember I made like $350. But I mind you, I went to sleep trading London session. I was like, yeah, let's put this in. Woke up to like 350 from like a $70 account. I'm like, ooh. I felt jolly. No cap. Jolly old kid.
That I'm a millionaire.
I was like, yeah, I'm calling out of work today.
Yep, I feel you. Because you was at Chick-fil-A too, right? With Jenner?
Yeah, I was at Chick. That was before I started trading. That was like high school.
Yeah.
When I started trading, I was working just all warehouse work. All warehouse work.
My first job was an arcade. I remember I was making like damn near like 450 like every other week.
Damn, really? That's thorough.
I make that like in a night, like where I work at.
That's thorough though. For what it was back then, 450 every 2 weeks. Shit, Chick-fil-A wasn't paying that good. Especially in the East, the pay up there is just ass.
What part
is 15 an hour here?
I'm from Philadelphia. I'm from Philly.
Philly right there, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We both came around the same time from a similar area. It's funny. Philly we just kind of stayed like that hour away still.
Yeah. Hey, Andre, you just attracting a lot of people like you. That's all it is.
Real shit. That's what I like to hear, though. Nah, that's funny. New York, Philly, Orlando, Tampa. That's like the same shit. I'm still under.
Same shit. Literally right there.
That's funny. Damn. What you doing, Price? Looks like I might run the low.
I'm finna return my P5 today, bro.
Why?
Because I ain't rich yet.
I feel you.
Man.
I have my Xbox. The only game I play GTA. I'm just waiting for the Modern Warfare. I don't have any other game. I just go on there. I will get on there and just to talk to the people I'm cool with, and just sit there with the headset on. Just because I will be doing the same thing I'm doing right now, basically, just with the headset on. I can just put my computer on and be in a party with them niggas. That's the only reason, because I'm still cool with people I had on Xbox. They real life friends now. And we dropping.
That's a fact. That's exactly why I didn't want to take a box. I'm like, I'm gonna just leave it.
Yeah, I wanted to get into sell, but we ain't getting no retracement. I mean, we still could. Now that we broke this low.
Straight pushing though. Matter of fact, I'm talking shit, man. US 30 is doing pretty good. It's following my system, but I'm like, I'm only taking one trade. I'm like,
at the open, we might get a push to this high. Looking at it, could be something we get. Looking at a potential if this retraces into it like it just did after ran this London low, I could see it come a little bit higher going into the open. We'll see though. I wanted to look for that sell, but I want to sell like 500.
Hold it. But that shit pushing on yours 30. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, look at that. That was I kind of seen that at the end. I was like, that kind of does look like a slow move. I don't know if it's gonna be a long-term move though. That's why I kind of don't want to take that.
Yeah, starting might clear that high before.
So high. Man, I can't even be mad. I'm not gonna take the trade.
Yeah, that low's broken, so yeah, we definitely could.
Yeah, I think Nas can definitely have a push from here, personally. Oh, never died. See, at least I take it. Yeah, I would have got clapped up. Yeah, I regret everything I said. That was a market. Let me know. I ain't got it like that. At least I didn't take a trade on that one, because that would have been a smooth 1 second loss. 1 second loss. They're doing opposites right now. That's why I thought Nas was gonna push. US 30 is about to go for the highs. Interesting. Very interesting. Yep. They're really doing the opposite right now. I didn't expect that one. Unless US 30 is gonna run those highs and then drop. I think US30 is probably gonna be the one that's gonna end up following to drop. Might run as high as
That
6,
shit. I knew I should have got in for myself, but I didn't want to.
I wanted to get in
early.
at 500.
Yeah, I wanted to see a pullback.
Jeez, that's just crazy.
Not real shit.
You know, should have got on that low. Damn, that's crazy, man. It's all good. Another day.
I want to see how Nas US30 reacts after clearing these highs.
Honestly, US30 might be the.
That's what I'm saying.
Move for the day.
Might be the breadwinner.
Might be a nice reversal move off of here if Nas keeps dropping.
Why they doing the opposites?
Bro, that's what I said.
I don't know.
I was like, what the fuck?
It's weird, bro.
Unless one's showing the other one and Nas is about to fucking fly.
They usually do almost the same shit.
Well, I mean, it makes sense that Nas is dropping.
Why?
Because Nas looks bearish, but the fact that we're running this high on US30 is pretty good.
Damn, you're
Let me see what retail
stupid, bro.
Nas is pushing out too. Everything is just fucking. What is going on?
62% short on US30.
Nah, I think Nas is probably just gonna end up pushing now. US30 is up there. Damn. What did I just witness?
Wow.
Let me look at the stocks. Everything's green right now.
But Nas is dropping. Oh, Nas is pushing back up. Never mind.
Yeah, I think Nas might end up following US30.
Nas probably just cleared the lows.
Yeah, I think it's gonna keep bullish right now. I don't think the bears are gonna come. They could, but US30 will have to have a
Watch the 1 minute.
That's what I'm on. Nas right now. I'm looking at this, maybe filling this gap. Come fill in that little imbalance. Stop below the low. It's about 30 points. Where would it be? Like right in here.
We in there.
I took a trade?
Nah, not yet. But I think I'm gonna go long once we fill in that imbalance.
Yeah.
30-point stop. Just put it at the low. And if that doesn't play out, that's my one trade for the day.
What imbalance are we talking about on Nas?
Yeah, on a 1 minute.
1 minute imbalance. Let's see.
Close bullish versus 2 bearish candles. 3 of them.
Do we have any break structure? Damn. That shit fell fast. Come on. It didn't get me in though.
It closes the gap before that opens.
No, it didn't technically close it yet.
I'm gonna go long right here.
That's a good trade right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Going long right in here. Stop below the low. Let's see what happens, Cal.
So yeah, it's not a big.
We're on the same trade today.
It's not a bad risk.
Not a bad
I still don't like the fact that we got a lot more retail traders buying currently. But
I just want to see 500
get hit. US30's pushing like that, then yeah, shoot, might be in there.
If I can get a 1 to 3 today, I might retire. On God, might retire for the week.
Just don't like the fact that both of them are opposite. As a 64% long, US30 62% short.
You mean the opposite way?
Yep. So the short looks like it was like or the ball. We'll see.
Oh, that shit going down now. Oh, matter of fact, the 15 minutes just closed. Never mind. We gonna have to see some retracement. Hopefully, it's not the full thing.
Fuck.
I'm cool with it dropping now. I still want to see it go all the way below that low. Like this retracement is cool, but
which low are you talking about?
This main low. Once it breaks that low, then I'm done. But this could just be refilling because all this is just a wick on the 15. But it is the same candle though. Matter of fact, I'm looking at the 5. My bad. The wick on the 5 minute. That's what I'm looking at.
Looking on the 1 minute. Nah, it looks good still.
That's what I'm saying. I just think it was kind of retracing into that The wick.
That's the thing about Nas. That be doing a lot of wicking. I don't like that.
Oh,
US 30's rejecting. Let's see if they go the opposite ways.
Nah,
I think they're both gonna
something's
push right
happen
now.
there.
I think we're just waiting for Nas to have this big ass push like 30. I think USA is probably
stocks.
Or US 30 can
Not
have
for,
that big ass
Green.
drop like Nas.
Nah, I don't think
Everything's
Nas
green.
didn't really have a big drop though. That's what I'm saying. It was kind of just like
I
a
had drop
small.
off yesterday.
True.
I had a nice drop off
Oh,
yesterday.
it didn't have a drop off yesterday on US 30.
No drop off yesterday.
Interesting. That changes things, huh? I thought they were kind of just following along.
I feel like there's still some more of that gap to fill.
It did come back and touch this low. This zone. I think there's a good trade. It's a fact. I think it's gonna work.
Yeah, it should, but you know how quarter four been so far. It's not over till it's over.
It's moving.
Target will be like 11,600.
11,600. That's a target. Damn. What y'all looking for?
I'm looking.
I mean,
for like
550 would be reasonable too.
I think 500 is where I'm gonna start to
I'll
take
take
some off.
500. Yeah. It's a fact.
It's like a 1 to 2.75, so
Yeah,
take
exactly.
a partial and I can leave a runner. It's cool. Yeah, we'll see what happens. And I'll leave the runner. The runner I'll leave for fucking ever. I'll leave that shit till it stops me out.
You don't pull up your stop loss? You don't bring up your stop loss?
Not yet. I'm not at 1-to-1 yet.
No, I mean like for the runner.
You said for the runner?
Yeah. Say like your runner's at a 6-to-1, or you don't put your stop loss to like
Nah.
up.
I usually just keep it at break even. I just leave it there because it's so volatile. I could put it if I put it at say my 1 to 2 and I'm at a 1 to 4 and it comes back and it stops me out and then it's like damn, why'd I do that? All right, but I'm almost at my 1-to-1, so I'm about to break even soon. Be getting somewhere. My buy limit is at 11,300. Might not take a trade if it doesn't activate. Yeah, if this keeps going past 500, I would just delete the order. But if this doesn't go past 500, it could probably still come lower.
US 30 still pushing, so Nas is definitely gonna.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting.
Play a little peek out the bar and shit.
Oh. Definitely having a little bit of a struggle, but it's slowly playing.
About to. About that time.
All right, I'm about to just break even. Am I at my 1-to-1? Yeah, I'm at my 1. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna break even right there, just in case, because you know that engulfing, looking a little devious.
Never know.
If it ends up breaking me even, I might get back in, but nah, probably not. If this just doesn't push already, I don't want to get in this consolidation.
Hey man, we risk free. That's all that matters.
No kizzy. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna let stop me out. If it breaks me even, I'll probably get back in, but I'm not moving the stop loss. I'll have to eat my.
It does kind of look like we could push down just a little bit more.
That's what I'm saying. That's just
looking at the 30-minute.
If it breaks me even, I'm not getting back in yet, at least. I'm gonna wait to see if it goes any lower. US30 still pushing?
Still pushing.
All right, this broke me even. I'm gonna move this over here, but I might get back in potentially.
No, yours 30 retraced just a little.
Let's see where this candle closes. It's telling me I break even, so I'm not in nothing right now. If it just pushes from here, well, it is what it is at that point. But damn, it's tough out here. Very tough. Very tough. Well, that's remember how we was saying, Kino? How it could just come down, stop me, break even, and just fly?
That's what I told you. I don't put shit
like
to
that.
break it. Just let it go. I either take profit or I just let it go.
Nah, fuck that. Because too many times that shit just flies down too fast. Same way this flew up, it could have just flew down. You know? I'm cool. Net zero. I'd rather be a net zero.
I see a little baby trend line right there. I don't know if y'all look at trend lines, but a little trend line.
Yeah, US30 is having a retracement too.
This,
We finishing.
Let's see. Let's see. Do y'all do top-down analysis, or y'all just get in there?
No, I'm just looking at it as the same retracement. Just a little bit deeper,
I do
probably
a
clear that
top-down,
wick.
but I generally just stay off of the 15 first. Probably use like the 4 hour at the most for intraday.
I got back in right here. Same area. Basically the same trade.
Yeah.
I got in at 441. I don't know if you guys wanted the price. I'm only using 30-point stop again. Stop's going at 411. If it stops me out on this one, it is what it is. Still the same trade.
You got back in?
Yeah. It's the same trade analysis. It's just playing in this area. I'm just going to leave the stop loss this time. And if it stops me out, it wasn't meant to be. Just one and done. I still think there's room to push. It's just in the middle of the retracement. So I kind of might have to wait maybe till 10. Like I said, I'm going to keep the stop loss, please.
US30 is dropping crazy.
Wants not to drop to on those.
Crazy, bro.
Yes, it looks like a healthy drop though. From how much it pushed, I would expect something like that. Not on NAS though. NAS looks like it wants to come for that low. It's still in the area, but still, that shit is kind of playing around. We got some momentum right now. 945.
Keep pushing. Let's go.
Maybe it's at the momentum we're looking for. If it runs that high, it should be good.
Get at 10 o'clock momentum.
700, 750.
800. 13,000. I need that US30 push, Nas. What's up with you?
What if this bullish push is just a retrace to the shit?
Come on. Push, my dog. Push. You're failing miserably.
Morgan.
Come on, just get to that 1-to-1. I'm trying to break even. This shit is playing. Very anticlimactic. I was expecting to use 30 push or something. I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know. I was expecting an NFP move. Something. Yeah, a little something. I feel like it wants to come back lower, at least on the lower time frame. It's not really trying to push. There we go. And I'm breaking even. Eat my dick. You know how it would be. Now time to get my little screenshot for the day to post it on the
Shooting,
story.
boy. Shooting. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, boy. Gone.
Let's go. That's that 2-to-1 right there, man. I don't know what y'all waiting for, cuz. Nah, it's not 2-to-1 yet. Almost 2-to-1.
Almost. Right now it's back at my 1-to-1. That shit came right back down. My 1-to-2 is a little bit above 500.
No, it's already shown that momentum will go higher, so it'll should.
So you back to break even, right?
I'm break even right now, yeah. But it's at my 1-to-1.
That makes
it's a little
sense.
bit less than my 1-to-1 now. This shit really going deeper. God damn, bro. Just go to my target, you motherfucker.
No, it's already pushed up that high. Now I want to just fucking around.
You know, this should be like, damn, bro. 500 is right there. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 12 seconds. That shit better close bullish on me. All right. Guess bearish you want to close, you motherfucker. Yeah, I need US30 to break that 31,950. Once it breaks that, I'll be more than happy just to keep holding NAS.
Fair value drop.
Feel like you got some more in that 10 o'clock candle's probably gonna make it.
Yeah, we got news in 10 minutes.
Boy, oh boy. The news better not do me today. Like, bro, it's right
remember,
there.
you got that 11,500 marked up.
Bro, I just need 500 right there. That's why I'm trying to get out. That's why I want to get out. Just go there. So close to so far.
11,500 your target, right?
Yeah, that's where I'm going to look to take some off at least.
It's a good target.
Yeah.
That's why I be having like my 1-to-2s, but it's just 1-to-2. Like right now, I'm break even. It's a little bit less than my 1-to-1 because this shit keeps retracing. It's like inner area of it. But look, 500 is right there. My 1 to 2 is right there. You know what I'm saying? Just make my life easy. You just making it stressful. I don't want stress. Then after this, I gotta go to the gym to put myself under more stress. Come on now.
Let's go with the push. Consolidate.
Bro,
Like
500 is right there. You motherfucker. Go. Just, you know what I mean? Just, you mean? Nah, because I need to hit it before 10. Because regardless what happens at 10, it's going to put me in either back to 1 to 1, break even, or my 1 to 3. But shit, I'm trying to be, at least have a runner. See, look at that. You motherfucker. Like, these candles damn near 20 points each. Yeah, see, that's why I just needed it to push. I'm not trying to have a part 2 of this shit just coming back to my break even just to keep going higher. That would be very unfortunate. Because there's also a fair value gap down there. Don't do this again, prof. So close. I'm not even going to move my stop either. If it breaks me even again, it is what it is. 2 break evens.
That's how you feeling today?
Yeah, at this point, bro. Like, damn. Like, I can't. It's right there. I just needed it right there. I just needed one tap. One tap. And I'm out. I won't even take it at the full percentage. As soon as it taps it, I'll just get out. You know what I'm saying? Nah, we in retracement city right now. Look, it's up, down, up, down, up, down. You know what I need to do, Cal? I gotta bring this back. It's working. You gotta create a block. Look.
Every time.
It works every time, bro. It works every time, bro. Simple physics. If there's a wall, it can't go past it. Look, I'm gonna just hold it right there. If it flies from here, I'm doing it every time. I don't care. I'm gonna become spiritual after this shit.
Candlesticks are Rick James. That circle thing is your couch.
Your cap. Oh boy, oh boy. Let's see where these next few minutes bring. It is 9:55. US 30's pushing again. I'm missing that fair value gap. I would want to see a push from there. I don't want to see it go for that lower one. My stop loss is right there. Goddamn. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like this is gonna end up stopping me at break even again. Yeah.
Man, now it's pulling back.
This shit is wild.
Trash.
I can't get. I just want.
You waiting for the 10 o'clock candle?
I'm just waiting for TP. Fuck 10. I'm waiting for 10. I'm waiting for this TP. That 10 o'clock candle, depending on where we are, that's just gonna stop me out.
You feel like that? I feel like 10 o'clock candle going up.
No, it's just because how close I am to my break even. That's why. Because even if it's just real volatile, it could just be a wick that's gonna stop me out, and it's just like,
The way these candles are, though, it looks like it's just charging up for a big move.
Shit, at this point, it better. All these candles I'm watching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Look like it wants to shoot up, though.
It looked like it wanted to shoot up. Yeah.
It's been slowly trying to. It just keeps like coming back into the range.
True. Let's see.
For another entry if we get down there.
You take another entry?
I mean, I'm already stopped. I haven't even got back in or anything. I missed it. I missed it. I mean, I
That's how I'm feeling. If this doesn't hit target,
like
I'm probably not
$9.
gonna. Yeah, I made my first break even. I made $1.
$13. Sorry.
I'm gonna go buy 2 Huggies. Matter of fact, it's probably not even 50 cents no more. Probably damn near $1.50.
I've made $52 today. That's cool.
But you only made $52.
Yeah.
Why?
I got stopped back out.
Yeah, bro. Shit is annoying.
Back down to the entry. I might hop in for another one.
That's how I felt, but I already did. And if this breaks me even again, I'm cool. Third time is not the charm. Third time.
I mean, there's one more fair value gap we can try to trade off of.
It's kind of the opposite of trading. When the more trades you take in the same area, the less likely it's gonna play out.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, bro, it was so close to 500, and it's gonna end up stopping me out and go tap it and then just range and do what it's gonna do. I know 500 is gonna get hit.
9 o'clock in 3 minutes, man. I feel like you'd be a dude.
Yeah, it could still play out, but I'm only about damn near like 10, 15 points away from my stop. I could just move it to where it was, but I don't know. Should I move it to where I originally had it?
Leave it. I would just leave it.
I'm trying to think. Because if it daps it and then goes higher again, I'm going to be stupid sick. I just don't want this 10 o'clock to fuck me up. Cause I know the trade bias is still alive. If anything, this makes sense because it ran this high and this is retracing into it now. I just don't want 10 o'clock to fuck me up. Fuck me up just to go my way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I might move it to this low, if anything. And if it does keep running low, then I just took a small loss. I'm done for the day. But I don't think I'm going to move it to the very end. I don't know. We'll see. Right now, it's still at break even.
That happens, and we're bearish for the day. It gotta be.
At this point, shit. That's what I'm looking at in US 30. Like, US 30 could have made that high of the day, and maybe he's trying to go lower, but could be wrong.
Damn, he's dropping.
So it came from 63 to 65% long, so on NAS.
Yeah, US 30 dropping too, so NAS is probably shit.
US 30 got 62% short.
62% short?
It broke through those highs, bro. Once it breaks through those highs, most likely it's just gonna turn around.
US 30 is going to 800 though.
That's about 10 o'clock.
Look, it stopped me out at break even. I might get back in, but let's see how it reacts. I'm gonna keep the same entry where it was.
You stopped out already? Again?
Nah, yeah, it came back to my break even.
Damn.
I figured it probably was. That's why I was thinking about moving it. Well, 2 break evens.
Looks like it.
2 break evens, bro.
Might want to go bearish, low key, depending on how this next candle closes.
I'm just kind of watching it right now.
Bro. I wouldn't even play around. 2 break evens, I'm done.
Shit, but the way I'm looking, I haven't taken a loss. That's my only thing, and it still looks like it's gonna play out. It's not that the trade keeps not playing out. It's just the fact that it goes to 1-to-1 and then just comes back to break even.
So take your 1-to-1s, bro.
Nah.
If you took 2 1-to-1s, you would have been at 2% right now.
I could, but I also would have been risking 3% total. Exactly. Yeah, because I risked 1.5. I would have been.
Oh shit!
Oh my lordy.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Peep my entry, bro. Peep my entry, bro.
Oh, wait. I told you the 10 o'clock candle was going to work.
Fuck that, bro. 10 o'clock candle stopped me out and it went my way. Can eat my dick. 10 o'clock can eat my dick. Eat my fucking dick. Nah, fuck that. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, bro.
I told you that shit would have worked.
Fuck that shit. Fuck you.
Fuck
Fuck you, Nas. You can go die. All that, bro. All that shit stopped me out twice in the same area.
I told you, don't put
750
to break even, bro. Just leave it.
It's on target 600.
Damn, look at that. Broke the 500 area.
Just like that. I'm going. I don't even give a fuck.
Just like that. I'm out.
I'm deleting everything, bro. Y'all boys be safe. I'm going to the gym. Fuck these sharks.
Told you, bro.
GG's.
But all right, boys, that was a tough one. All that waiting just to get stop that break even for it to fly. It'd be like that sometimes. Boys. But hey, hopefully everyone enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Analysis ended up playing out, but we didn't get any trades, unfortunately. So with that being said, everyone be safe, stay productive.